Hey everyone, Abners Reviews here, and today we are modifying once again our car key right here to an upgraded version right here. So if you have been following our channel, we have upgraded our car key right here from its normal version to this blue 2-button replacement case right here. So if you want to check that project out, click the link right here or on our video description. But for today, we are upgrading this one again to an upgraded version right here. So this right here is the 2-button flip key modified case right here. So we have an emblem sticker right here, a double-sided tape on the back so we can attach it later right here on our main flip key modified case right here. So this also have 2 buttons right here, and this one is the push button for our flip key right here. Actually, the blade of our key would be residing on the side right here, right there. So if you push this button, it should flip out like so. So there you go. We will be transferring our old modified key to this upgrade version for today. So first we have to again open our modified case right here, the blue case, so we can get the mechanism inside and our car key blade as well. Okay, so there. Now we have opened our earlier modified key right there on the blue case, and we have retrieved all our parts right here, the blade, the mechanism inside, the batteries, and the buttons right here. So now all we need to do is open up our upgraded case right here. So now we have opened our flip key modified case right here. So there are 2 pieces. This is the front face right here, and this is the part with the blade on it. So I haven't showed you earlier, but on the back of this piece right here is where we can attach our emblem sticker right here. So just on the back, it should fit nicely in there. So now what we need to do is remove the stock blade right here. So there are 2 screw heads down there. We have removed the 2 screws from our panel right here. So now we have to replace our stock blade right here. So what we need to do is we need to open this part right here, the one that revolves when you click the button right here, right, on the key. Be careful when opening this part right here, since we have already removed the screws. There's a spring underneath there that allows our key blade right here to pop up when we press this button right here. So be careful when lifting this one up. So you need to remove this one and push it back up to open and get the part of the blade key right there. So this is the part that holds the screws right there. So you see that's the button right here, the one that we press when we want to spring out the flip key blade right here, right? So as I mentioned, there's a spring under there, so be careful when lifting this part up. So that is the spring which I was talking about earlier, and this is the stock blade from our flip key modified case right here. So this part is the spring part of the mechanism. So this is the button attached to the spring right here. So it's kind of like a cross on the bottom part right there. And that's the spring. Has a little part sticking out. So that goes into that groove right there on the side. So that's where it goes on this piece of the flip key modified key case right here.
3 days later.
After much effort right here, please do take note that when you use this one, you have to go ahead and make your local locksmith copy the old blade right here. You have to go and find your local locksmith and copy your old blade to the blank one on the flip key blade right here. Now that has been copied right there, as you can see, all we need to do now is assemble it on our actual flip key case right here with all the mechanisms of the old key. And there we go, guys. You see that when you click on the buttons, the LED indicator right there lights up. Also on the other button. And of course, most importantly, our flip key right here, or the flip blade of our modified case right here works. So you just click on this button right there. So if you want to tuck it in, just press the button again and release. So there you go. So all that's left right here is to put the sticker emblem right here on the back of our flip key modified case right here, and we're all done. So takeaway is, before you buy something like this, you have to read the instructions and requirements of the replacement key fab case right here before purchasing, so that you will not get into any trouble like we did with our conversion right here. So there you go, guys. If you have comments and suggestions, please put them down below right here. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you get notified when we upload another one of our tech reviews right here. as well as our normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abners Reviews. I'll catch you guys on the next one.